Your computer's IP address is sort of like its phone number. It's the way it's identified on the network, and it is the way that other devices on the network can find it and contact it. On a day-to-day basis, you probably won't need to know the IP address, but sometimes you will. Let's first see how we can find this with the graphic interface. Go up to the Wi-Fi menu and hover, and you will see your IP address. Now let's see how to find your IP address with the command line. First, open Terminal, then type IPA. Your IP address appears after the letters INET. IP addresses can change sometimes, so if you want a static IP address, here's how you can do that with the graphic interface. Choose Connection Information, take note of your default router, then close out of that. This time we're going to choose Advanced Options, Edit Connections. You will choose your Wi-Fi connection, click Edit, which will bring up a new window. You'll choose IPv4 settings, and once in IPv4 settings, you will want to change Method Automatic to Manual. Now you will edit this information. You'll click Add, and you will add in the address field your IP address from the connection information window. For netmask, enter 24. For gateway, enter your router's IP address, which is after the default route that we looked at before. And for DNS server, you can usually use the same default route. You'll click Save to apply changes and then reboot your Pi. And if you'd rather use the command line, of course, there's a way to do that too. Open Terminal. You will type sudo nmtui, which will open the Network Manager utility. You'll choose Edit a Connection, choose your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection depending on what you're using. Then you will use your keyboard, your arrow keys, not your mouse, to scroll down to IPv4 configuration, and you will press Enter to change this to manual. At that point, you will then choose Show and hit Enter to bring up an interface where you can enter the information for your static IP address, your gateway, and your DNS server as we did before. You'll select the OK button, hit Enter, back out of the interface, and reboot your Pi. If assigning a static IP address seems like a lot of work, but you still always want to be able to be in touch with your Pi, you can always use a host name. An IP address is sort of like a phone number, but a host name is somebody's name. A phone number might change, but a name usually won't. You assigned your host name when you flashed your Raspberry Pi card, but if you've forgotten it, just go to Control Center, choose System, change host name, and you'll see the host name. Or go into the terminal, type sudo raspi-config, and you'll be presented with the Raspberry Pi configuration interface where you can scroll down, where once again choose System and then host name, and this will allow you to check or change your